Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Today I will show you how to make an all-time favorite German dish called Milchreis, which is a creamy, delicious rice pudding. It doesn't sound like much, but once you have tried it, you will know why people in Germany are addicted to this versatile dish that can be enjoyed for breakfast, a snack, or as a dessert. It can be served warm or chilled right out of the fridge, which makes it easy to prepare the day before. Let me show you how to cook this mouth-watering treat. Start with adding the butter to a pot and let it melt on medium heat. Then add the rice and sauté it for a couple of minutes. Make sure you don't burn it. Add the milk, sugar and vanilla extract to the pot. This already smells so good that makes it difficult to wait. Bring the mixture to a boil while stirring. This is very important as the rice will easily stick to the bottom of the pot. As soon as it bubbles slightly, reduce the heat to low. Stir occasionally until almost all the liquid is gone. This will take about 20 to 30 minutes. Serve the Milchreis hot with brown butter and the cinnamon sugar mixture, or enjoy it cold with fresh berries, compote or applesauce. Guten Appetit!